Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jay here with Hacking Tutorials 101. Today we're going to learn how a breadboard actually works. Now, if you look at a breadboard, you notice that you have this column right here, and you have this column right here with a plus and a negative. These are the bus lines. If you look at a battery, you notice that it has a positive and a negative. That's because you need both to complete a whole circuit. The positive is basically just a lot of electrons that want to move, and they're so excited that they want to continue moving up until they go to the negative. So what happens here is when you connect a wire over to the red and you activate the positive, this whole column becomes activated. When you connect the negative wire to this negative side, this negative column right here, this whole column becomes negative, because this is what it looks like. Basically, as soon as you touch something, like let's say here, and this is positive, since this is all metal, it's conductive, it just travels up and down this whole entire bus line. And so what happens is, it doesn't mean that you have powered this side as well. If you want to power this side, you have to do what I like to call bridging, and it's when you basically connect anywhere on the red to anywhere on this side on the red. It doesn't matter where, because it's all connected. And then you grab another cable. See, now the color doesn't matter because it's all the same in the inside. We put this one on the negative, and we connect the other side on the negative as well. And now if this were to be connected to a battery with the positive and the negative right here, we would have both sides powered. Now we know how the bus lines work. We have the positive going up and down, negative going up and down. But what is this section for? This is the section that helps us complete our circuits. We have A, B, C, D, E, and then we have F, G, H, I, J. A through E are all connected, F through J are all connected. And then we have from 1 all the way down to 30. So 30 different rows. If we flip over to the other side, this is what it looks like. This would be 1, this would be 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And so what happens is, when you connect, let's say, a circuit from the positive over to anywhere, like number 11, now 11 is now positive. Now let's say you connect the negative over to 20. Now the 20 is negative. Any slot on number 20 would be negative because they're all connected, as you can see back here. And essentially, that is how a breadboard works. The reason it's called a breadboard is because back in the day, they actually used to use real breadboards for prototyping, and they realized that this is a much faster and safer way to do prototypes. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you did not like the video, also please comment, like, and subscribe so I can make better videos. And that is all. It's been real. Peace.